Alright, so we're back under a kitchen sink today. I was going to install this dishwasher, but looking under the sink, there's pretty much 3 code violations I see right off the hop. First being, the very first rule in plumbing is crap doesn't run uphill, so I don't know what they were thinking right here. Second being is the glue, which is PVC glue, and this is ABS tubing. So it should be yellow glue. And I do not know what this fitting is here. I've never seen it in a code book. It's not a double Y, it's not a double TY. It's some fantasy fitting that some engineer decided to make. I'm going to start by cutting this all out, plumbing it in properly, and getting it ready for my dishwasher install. These are all 1.5" ABS fittings and tubing, and I'm adding a coupling to the drain line to start. It's easiest to begin by connecting both basins together. Connect the 90 to the basin furthest away from the wall drain connection and the TY closest. The section between the basins can be connected with a straight piece of tubing or with a dishwasher Y as seen here. It is important if adding a dishwasher drain Y that the Y is flowing towards the wall drain connection and upward. I personally angle the Y slightly back and towards the cabinet, which makes connecting the dishwasher drain hose easier. Make sure to add 1/4 inch per foot slope on all the drainage. 1/4 inch per foot slope is roughly when the bubble on the level just touches the line. Now to get the height for the P-trap. Using a piece of ABS tubing, I'm temporarily dry fitting the connections to get my height measurement. Luckily on this install, I'm able to line up the P-trap's angle to match the drain line coming from the wall. You may need to use a 45 fitting depending on your rough in piping to make the final connection. Hand tighten the union P-trap and trap adapters. Well, there you go guys, pretty straightforward install. Things to remember is, your 1/4 inch per foot slope, union P-trap, not a glued P-trap. Don't go uphill with your drainage, obviously, that your TY is facing down into the drain, that your dishwasher Y is facing down into the drain, and that you check for leaks at all your connections as well. If you're ever wondering what this little guy here is, it's actually, you just rock it back and forth, it's actually a plug for your dishwasher Y or your drain. So you'll see this a lot in new construction. They'll throw this in because the client doesn't have the funds to either purchase the dishwasher or they're waiting for a certain model that might be on back order or whatnot. So the plumber can still install the Y, plug it, and then when the dishwasher comes in, you can install it at that time. If you're having trouble removing the drain plug, a tip is using a pair of PEX tubing cutters to slide underneath and then just rock them back and forth. It'll pop out. You don't want to squeeze the tubing cutters together because you actually cut the plug in half and then you'll have trouble getting the remainder out. Well guys, thanks for watching my video, and like always, if this video helped you out, liking, commenting, subscribing is always greatly appreciated. Till next time.